Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. and today we have a super exciting new product for you guys. We've partnered up with CADlink to become official distributors of their digital factory for apparel production system, which includes add-on modules such as one specifically programmed for printing DTF, direct-to-film transfers with your DTG printer. And to put it to the test, we're going to be fulfilling an order for 35 lanyards that we're going to be heat pressing with DTG transfers made with the DTF module. So without further ado, let's get started. This is what the interface of Digital Factory looks like on your computer. Right up here you have all these little presets for apparel production when you are printing t-shirts. You have white, color, black, and white only settings that are already preset for you. And then right here you have the other tab, which is where your DTF module is going to be. And it has all of the settings for specifically DTF printing so that the printer knows exactly how much ink to use, what settings to use, and things like that. So to create a new job, you're just going to press the little green plus sign up here and select the file that you wish to open to print as your DTG transfers. And then once that job opens up, you are going to be able to see it in your queue right here, and then a preview is going to generate right where your Platen settings are. As you can see right there, it says generating here, and it also has the print mode that you're on and the dimensions of the file as well. Then right here you can actually set how many passes that the printer is going to do with the ink, and we're just going to leave that off right now. And then you can also set how long the dry time is between the first and second color. So we're just going to set that at 30 seconds. And then print direction unidirectional. So now you can see our little preview here of what our artwork is going to be on the film and in relation to the whole t-shirt Platen, which is 14 by 16. So it's going to land right in the center of the 14 by 16, which is where we placed our film, which is 8.25 by 11.75. So we know exactly where it's going to land. And then we can also see the full dimensions of our artwork displayed right here under the job tab, which is specifically focused on this selected job right here in the queue. And as you can see as well, the original artwork is off in the corner there, and it has reflected the artwork itself for us so that we don't have to do that anymore when we're creating our artwork. The system will do it for us, and then if needed, you can also mirror the image if you don't want it to be backwards, or color adjust and invert it. And then on the page tab, you can select for the specific page that's being printed the dry time. So we're just going to make sure that's set at 30 there, 30 seconds, and then unidirectional as well. Now in the queue tab, it's going to set all of those settings for everything that is in the queue. So that big chunk to the left there, that's your queue. And then the page settings are going to be available for each individual selected item in the queue. So just keep that in mind when you are setting things up. And then in order to print, you can just do Alt-P or Command-P depending on your keyboard, and it will send the job to the printer to be printed. thanks for watching. We hope you're as stoked about this product as we are. And of course, with any new release, there's gonna be a lot of new questions, so go ahead and leave those down in the comments below and head to the description box for a full breakdown of this whole project and to learn more about Digital Factory, the DTF module, and how they can benefit your shop. And if you want to see more of what we do here every single day, go ahead to our Instagram at KeyPrintCo and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe here to stay tuned for more product releases, more videos on how to use those products, and anything else your print shop needs. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.